Hey guys, what is going on? Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about a decentralized finance income stream that I've kind of been sitting on the sidelines for the past couple of weeks testing it out. And it's pretty crazy because the DeFi space, the community, is fairly small. And we're kind of at the point where a lot of people know about this and they're realizing the opportunity with this specific decentralized finance app. And what I want to do is I want to introduce it to you guys today and why it's different than everything else that we've seen out there. There's so many different projects that are reliant upon a specific token, and we know the prices of all the tokens within DeFi and crypto in general are down, and people are starving for something that they can finally make money from, right? And of course, there's no guarantees in DeFi. There's no guarantees in crypto. We like this industry because of the possibilities and anything can happen. So please do not take this or construe this as financial advice. This is for pure education and entertainment purposes only. And by the way, if you like the idea of making passive income online, being notified of different opportunities that I'm specifically in, then go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified daily. Okay, so let's talk about how this project actually works. So it is, of course, a DeFi project that operates through a smart contract. As a user on their smart contract, you understand that all deposits and payouts are done directly through the smart contract. So a smart contract is essentially a contract that's created through lines of code that essentially say, okay, this is how it works. This is how it's going to function. If this button is pressed, this happens. And there's no like intermediary. There's not a human taking care of the deposits and withdrawals. So there's no human error there. It's all in the code. And when you write a piece of code up and you lock it into a smart contract, that code cannot be changed as long as the keys are thrown away and it's been audited, which of course this has been audited. So the way that this works is depending on how this trading bot and LP staking performs determines how much you're going to get daily, which is anywhere between 0.5% all the way up to 2% per day. And what I love about this that's going to create sustainability and longevity is the fact that there's not like some guaranteed percentage you're going to make per day. Again, it could be 0.5%, 1%, all the way up to 2% per day. So if we scroll down to the bottom, it says, do you make any guarantees? No, we under no circumstance make any guarantees of any kind. We offer up to 2% daily on your full deposit. This means there may be weeks where you may earn 0.5% a day, 1% a day, 2% a day, even less. This will change from week to week based upon what we are able to produce through LP staking and bot trading. The cool thing is too, as well, as long as you've had your funds in the DApp, in the smart contract for roughly 15 days, I believe, you can actually request to withdraw your initial capital. So if you want to do that, you do have the ability to do that. You can contact them below. Write your question in the box below if you're requesting a full deposit refund. Please provide us the contract you wish to receive your full deposit refund from, along with the wallet address you used to deposit onto our contract. So super, super transparent. The developers that created this specific dApp, they're doxed, verified, a lot of activity going on in the actual Discord as well. And you can watch this video to also get a full kind of webinar and rundown and a full tutorial on how this works. Now we're on the Binance Smart Chain right now, and we can actually see the contract balance here, which is very, very healthy. It continues to go up just in the past day or so, two days to be exact. It's gone up roughly $500,000. So what they're doing is they're taking a percentage of this contract balance and they're using it to trade an LP stake. So let's kind of go into detail as to what that means. The sustainability of our project rely heavily on bot trading. PGV uses a trading bot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We share the results of the trading bot we utilize in our Discord community group. You can join this group by simply clicking on the Discord icon at the bottom of our site. You got LP staking right here. So there's different farms across different decentralized exchanges. And what you could do is you can actually stake funds and earn rewards. So what they're doing is they're taking a percentage of these funds, they're staking these funds, and they're earning those rewards. And that's essentially what this is saying right here. So right now, this is my active stats. There's $370 available for withdrawal. It's pretty cool. This isn't a matter of, I think it's been roughly about 10 to 14 days or so now. My deposit, $14.55. So I just love what they're doing right here because it's not some Ponzi where people get in and new money that comes in goes to old money and the Ponzonomics that you see. And another reason why I'm most likely going to double down on this is because of the fact that it has caught fire within the DeFi space. And people need something right now. They need some income coming in. And I love the opportunity here. So the fact that they're not making any guarantees, but we can get up to 2% a day, I absolutely love. Of course, the first goal is to find that break-even point. But at the same time, my strategy here to keep the protocol healthy for everyone is to compound 5 days per week and withdraw 2 days per week. And if we as a community do that and we stay on the same page, we're all going to be very, very successful with this. But if you look at any successful project, the community is on the same page. We are all doing the same thing. So that is going to be my game plan. If you guys want to go ahead and deposit, all you need to do is click the link below this video. Okay. Enter your deposit amount, and then you're going to go ahead and deposit. Now, the first time that you deposit, and it'll show you in this video, is you're going to need to authorize the amount you're about to deposit. Once you authorize that amount, then it's going to allow you to deposit that given amount. Okay, so just make sure you follow the on-screen instructions, and then you can claim here and you can compound right here. Okay, so this is one of my main income streams right now that I'm leveraging. If you guys want to check it out, there's going to be a link below. Appreciate everybody for supporting the channel. If you decide to use that link, great. If not, it's okay too, but the official link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.